Dear students, in this session we are going to study about the third part of the lesson, the tsunami. The last class we studied about second part, and we studied about Tilly Smith. How Tilly Smith is showed her talent. To save many lives by remembering her geography lesson, right? And today's class we are going to study about animals, how animals got sense, about the sixth sense. Yes, let me read out. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog and try to describe the things that you see using just words and phrases. Either the teacher or one of the students can write down the words and phrases on the blackboard. What we have to do is, by looking this picture, we need to write some odd words or phrases on the blackboard with the help of teacher or any other student, right? Here is given. This is how you can start. We can start like this: calm, blue sea, ruin huts. The same we can say that somewhat praises our words, life without hope, we can say, or loneliness, or lost everything. This way we can continue, right? Let's start. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. See, here we are going to read about India and Sri Lanka. What happened there? Before the giant waves slammed in the sense hit forcefully into the coast wherein India and Sri Lanka. This is about India and Sri Lanka. Earlier we read about uh, Andaman Nicobar Islands and even Thailand and all. Now, part third is about India and Sri Lanka, right? Wild and domestic animals. We are talking about wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. So, before the giant waves hit to the coastal area, there they studied about wild and domestic animals' reactions, how they reacted towards this giant waves. They fled to safety. What do you mean by fled? Fled is a past form of flee. Fled is nothing but running somewhere. Run. The word run we can use here. They ran to safety. They ran away from the place where they lived earlier in order to save themselves from this giant waves. According to eyewitness accounts, see, eyewitness, the person who noticed this picture, they would say that about these things. Elephants screamed. Elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Higher ground in the sense, in order to save themselves from the place where they lived earlier, because sea water may come and may make some problematic to them. That's why they wanted to go to some other place where they can save themselves. Dog refused to go outdoors. Look at here, dogs, when we come to dog, refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned not to leave their place, their low lying breeding areas, and zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed. What do you mean by enticed? Convinced, come back out. Here, what we can notice, this is what the reactions of animals. animals are reacted towards the giant waves. When the giant waves, before the giant waves hit to the coastal area, these animals came to know that what is going to happen. Then many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Listen here. Many people they knew this. The matter is about sixth sense. See, human being having fifth sense, right? But here is sixth sense. What is this sixth sense? Here is used. Some experts believe that animals more acute in the sense acute, something is happened which is dangerous to us. So that is what hearing. Acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. See here, what we can understand about the sixth sense is it's about hearing sense, acute hearing sense that animal has when there is danger occur. See, with the help of acute hearing, animals are going to hear or feel about earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster. With the help of acute hearing sense, animals are going to hear or feel earth's vibration. In this way, they are going to approach the disaster, next coming disaster. In this way, they came to know that next coming disaster before humans realize what's going on, before human realizing. Got it? So here we can believe that animals having sixth sense in order to recognize or hear or feel the earth's vibration to know what is going to happen in this world. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But here he says it's not sure. How? But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. But not many animals have been reported dead. We cannot be sure whether animals have a sixth sense or not. But what is the fact? Here, fact is that when we come to people, how many people? 150,000 people died where? Nearby Indian Ocean. Got it? But when we come to animals, see, in this animals case, not many animals have been found as dead. So in this way we can believe that animals having sixth sense. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished. What do you mean by perished? Perished in the sense died. Where? Wherein India's Cuddalore coast, how many? Thousands of people perished. Here, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. See, along with these people, these animals like buffalo, goats, and dogs were unharmed. So they are safe. Got it? With the help of sixth sense. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals, including elephants. See, we have elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. Wherein the Yala National Park, Sri Lanka, in Sri Lanka. 60 visitors were washed away from the Pathanangala beach inside the park. How many were? 60 visitors were washed away. The person who came there to watch animals or species, they were washed away from this Pathanangala beach inside the park. But what about animals? Here we'll study. But when we come to animals, but no animals carcasses were found. What do you mean by carcasses? Carcasses in the sense dead body of the animals. Dead body of animals, right? Here, no animals' dead body were found. So, how many people washed away? 60, right? There are 60. There were 60 visitors washed away. But when we come to animals, they're safe. Except for two water buffaloes. Two water buffaloes, they perished. Okay. But an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Pathanangala beach. See, this is what the clear indication, right? That to know animals having sixth sense and they recognize the disaster next coming disaster early as compared with human being. Got it? Earlier, as we read earlier, they are going to approach the disaster with the help of their sixth sense. Got it? A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his two dogs, how many dogs? Two dogs, would not go for their daily run on the beach. Usually, they who are two dogs usually go for route daily running and all. But what happened there? This Sri Lankan gentleman used to say that they are usually excited, feel happy and delighted to go out on this outing, he said. But on the day when the tsunami waves hit, they refused. They refers to that two dogs refused to go out and most probably saved his life. Because of these two dogs, this man, who is he? A Sri Lankan gentleman who saved his life because of these two dogs, because of their sixth sense. Got it? In this way, the lesson is completed. Dear students, I hope that you understood this lesson very well and do somewhat homework which is given here and earlier part. There are five to six questions and it has to be answered by you all. I hope that you have done. And next coming class, I'll give question answers and somewhat activities which are given next coming. Activities is about active voice and passive voice. I'll do. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear students.